Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recharge Presto Card. So in order to do that, first of all launch any web browser on your mobile device. Now once you come to the main web browser, you have to search for www.prestocard.ca. Also, make sure that you are signed in to your account. Now, once you are here, simply tap on the three lines icon that you see at the top right corner of your screen. Here we go. Now, once you come here, simply tap on the option of Account. Now, simply select the option of Order a new card. Okay, here we go. Now you'll come to this page. If you scroll down below till the bottom, you can see the option of Add funds to your new Presto card. You can select any of these amounts given here, or you can even enter your custom amount. So for now, I'm just choosing $25. Then all you have to do is tap on Add to Cart. Now you can see your total amount over here. And after this, simply tap on the option of Checkout. With that, you will be directed to this page where you have to fill in all these details that has been given here and then choose the language. You can also read the note if you wish to, and then at last tap on the option of Next, and that's how simply you can recharge your Presto card. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.